Hi, Nicole here, and today's video is all about this Edelkrone slider and adding on the motor. I'm going to show you how to set it up. Here we go. Okay, so this is the slider Pro V5 Long by Edelkrone, and I'm so excited that I recently just purchased the motor, and I've been out on the field on location with clients just with the slider, and it's been great. But now I felt like I wanted to add the motor to my kit, and I'm so excited to show you how to set this up so then you can get back out on location and creating some great content. So when you purchase the slider, these are control straps that are here providing some great sliding mechanism. But now these are the control straps. Now you need to add the motion straps, which are provided when you buy the slider. So first step is to switch out the straps. Here we go. So a couple things, so they're magnetized, which is great. And right now this is locked. So there's that great locking mechanism in the back. You unlock and it can move. If it is locked, you're going to have some difficulty getting the straps, the control straps off. So if you unlock it, you'll have better success. So once I unlock, I can simply remove the top piece here and then the bottom part as well. Okay. But then how do you remove these two for install? So once you have that second piece removed, you need to feed this through. But there's a little, almost like a dolly piece that the strap runs around. You can simply push that out, and then the strap can feed through. So you repeat that on the other side. So you can remove the bottom, you can remove the top. Okay, so now that the control belt is removed, we are now going to add the motion control belt. And again, you want it to be free and not locked, or you're gonna have some tension issues. So again, it's great that it's magnetized, very easy. I'm gonna feed this through, but I need this piece in next, and it just simply pops right in. You just want to make it sure that it's lined up. Make sure that it's lined back up, kind of like a dolly piece. And then just push that forward. And now that side is set up. Okay, so let's repeat that process. I'm going to attach the top. So the motion control belt is installed. Here we go with the next piece. All right, so with the motor, you will need to attach your battery bracket. Now, this is sold separately, so I will leave a link below on the battery bracket. I use a Canon 5D Mark IV. This uses those Canon batteries, which is great. So I purchased the battery bracket. I have the screws, and simply on this side, I'm going to line it up, have the screws on here, so the wire is at the bottom, and I'm just going to use the L bracket that's supplied and tighten the screws. And it's stored on the side of the battery itself, so if you ever needed to remove. Okay, so that's sturdy. It has this cord, and I'm putting this cord into the DC in. Okay, so now that is set up. So again, I'm mounting this motor on the opposite, this is saying the incline, on the opposite side. So again, since I use the Canon batteries, I'm just going to add my battery on. So now we have the motion control belts installed. The motor is on the opposite of where it says incline. We have the motor screwed on. We have the battery bracket attached, which is sold separately. I'll add the link below. I'm using the Canon 5D Mark IV. It also comes with the cord once you're ready to do time lapse and stop motion. That would be a separate video. I just wanted to show you how to install and get this going. The other pieces of information that is great in the box, you will have a card for the app. And this app is great because you can then control it hands-free. You're not gonna be maneuvering the camera once it's installed up here. Okay, so let me just show you what the app looks like, and then you'll be ready to get out and start creating. So once you have the app installed and you have your motor turned on, it won't be paired. So you have to start the pairing. So I'm gonna click on the bottom button there. I'm gonna click start. It's going to look for the device and you will hear that beep. That will show also that it's paired, and here you are with the app. Now, if you're on location and you just wanna do some great B-roll slider shots, you're set up and ready to go. All you need to do is unlock the slide itself, which mine is, and then once I just drag my finger across and slide, it will slide. At the bottom, you'll see that there's a 29.4%. You can change that based on the speed that you would like. And then you can go the other side, and it works great on site. I've been really enjoying having the motor for this slide. Okay, so a couple pieces of advice. Now you're ready to go, you're out on location, and you're gonna capture some great content. I have my battery bracket as I showed you. If the battery is low, you will find that this whole device will slide all the way and kind of lock itself because the power it's kind of going like back to home. So you want to turn it off. You want to try to get some charged batteries to get yourself back up and running and going. So I did see that when I was on location and I had some low battery. The last item that I just wanted to share is for logistics, getting to location and talking about a bag. Now there's lots of bag options on the Edelkrone site, but I have found a bag that's reasonably priced and gives you protection. I'm gonna link this bag below, but I can drop this whole piece. Now obviously this is on. I would have some, if you wanted to take the motor off and have it in a protective bag plus the slider inside, you can, but I have found this bag is great. It will fit the entire slide. So I will leave the link for this down below if you're interested. But otherwise, you are set up to go to get some great slider shot for your next project. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll outline everything below, and I'll talk to you soon.